Imagine being able to create videos this stunning, powered by Google's Veo3 and Nano Banana, two of the most advanced AI video models.
And the best part, you can use them completely free right now. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to use Whisk AI to create your own cinematic videos, edit them, and even add lip sync, all without paying a dime. If you've been waiting to try next-gen AI video tools, this is the one you don't want to miss. Whisk is a creative platform that combines multiple AI tools under one roof. Right now, it gives you access to Google's Veo3 for cinematic video generation and Nano Banana for image inpainting and editing. That means you can generate scenes, fix details, or completely transform visuals without ever leaving the platform. What makes Whisk different is that you don't have to juggle multiple websites or tools. Everything is integrated. You can generate, edit, and even animate lip-synced characters all in one place. That's what makes it such a game changer. Getting started with Whisk is super simple, and the best part is you can try it for free. Just head over to whisk.ai and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can instantly choose between image generation or image editing with Nano Banana. No complicated setup, no hidden steps. You get the subject section where your main subject goes. The scene is where you want your subject located. Over here, you get a few settings. This is the aspect ratio. Pick the one you like. This dice is there in case you have no ideas of what to generate. You simply click on it and it generates some ideas for you. Now let's mix some images with Nano Banana. Click on the subject. You can either prompt an image or upload one. I'll upload our elegant lady. We use her quite often in this channel and might as well name her. I'll also upload an image of a luxury bar I got from Pinterest. And let's prompt Nano to mix them and place her in the bar. This is the output. I love it, but you can still edit the image further by adding details in the prompt. I'll change her dress to red, and we get two stunning images of her in red. When you hover on the images, you get these two options here. One is the animate button and the refine button. I'll use the refine button and refine her hand. You can see the glass sort of look like it's on top of her hand. I want her to hold the glass and put a drink like a mocktail in it because it's currently empty. And we get this image. Now let's animate it. Simply click on Animate. As you can see above here, you get 5 free animations with Veo3. Now let's put Whisk to the test with Veo3 video generation. This is where the real magic happens. Instead of just giving you a static image, Veo3 can turn a simple text prompt into a moving cinematic shot. Let's animate her. I'll paste my prompt here and click Generate. You can control the aspect ratio and style before hitting generate in the image generation.
AI is blurring reality and fiction to a point where you can't tell what's real. Anyway, I plan on spending the rest of the night relaxing. What are you doing?
For example, if your image is in vertical form, the video will be vertical. So choose vertical 9:16 if you're making TikToks or Reels, or stick with 16:9 for YouTube. Within minutes, Veo3 renders a full video sequence ready to drop into your project. And the results? Honestly, they're impressive. You get smooth camera motion, lighting that feels cinematic, and characters that look consistent from frame to frame. This alone makes Whisk stand out. You don't need multiple tools to animate or edit. Everything happens right here inside the platform. I love how Veo's animates even the background. You can see a waiter pass by and the mixologist at the back is moving as well. This makes the video feel more realistic. So where does Whisk AI really shine? If you're running a faceless YouTube channel, this is a game changer. You can produce high-quality videos with characters and lip sync, no camera required. For short films or cinematic trailers, Veo3 gives you movie-style motion without the studio budget. If you're a social media creator, you can make fast, shareable lip-synced content for TikTok or Instagram Reels in just minutes. And for brands or storytellers, Whisk lets you create engaging ads or product explainers with a cinematic edge that really stands out. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video. It really supports the channel. Subscribe for more step-by-step AI tutorials.
Now that was easy, wasn't it? Drop a comment below and let me know. What kind of video would you love to see? And if you're ready to start creating today, check out the link to Whisk AI in the description.